Is your tire pressure monitor going off? Then do what I did. Take all the junk out of your trunk and pump up your spare tire to the recommended pressure. Check the inside of the door frame for the recommended tire pressures. My spare is recommended for 60 psi. It was under 50. Now, after you've checked and made sure your tires on the ground are all good too, put all the junk back in your trunk. Don't forget to vacuum first. And then you can go start it up and drive around for a while.
There are no walls. Right up the road.
While I was out there working on the car, I just decided to go ahead and vacuum the floors too. And my final reward was I found my missing pocket knife. Yay! Thanks for watching. I love you guys. As Tigger says, ta-ta for now.